The UK is funding this program in Egypt, Lebanon, Jordan, and the occupied Palestinian territories. We're having this workshop over the three days to discuss lessons learned from the past 2 years across the 4 countries. Also foster partnerships with other development partners in the region, and also plan ahead for the coming year.
We've discussed in 3 days workshop in the regional workshop of Al Muruna project in Cairo how to scale the nature-based solutions for water crisis or water management issues, and also how to adopt nature-based solutions for water scarcity and the agriculture.
بالنسبة لورشة العمل اللي حضرناها ساعدتنا كثير في كيفية وضع المشاكل اللي بتواجه أي مشروع لنا، إجمال المشاكل ووضع طريقة الحلول.
And it's through these discussions that we've found particularly interesting ways to scale these interventions beyond the Al Farah community where we're currently working.
We have a pilot on the ground with its biophysical interventions and with its governance mechanism. This provides a model with its positive impacts on the environment, on water savings, on agricultural productivity, and on the socio-economic livelihoods. And this model is the basis for upscaling.
So I think it's a good opportunity to learn from each other, to expand our knowledge about the process of the natural-based solution.
I can say also that concept align with our strategies, policies, and action plans in the Ministry of Agriculture, especially that's related to climate change.
قدرنا نعمل بريك داون للمشاكل اللي موجودة في البايلوت عندنا أو في موقع مشروعنا عشان نعرف إذا بدنا نعمل سكيلينج أب لمشروعنا إيش ممكن كيف ممكن نعمل له سكيلينج أب.
The workshop helped us to think more wider regarding how the local governments and partners can influence and have a positive impact on the project.
And how we can increase the awareness for the farmers about the project output and how to use nature-based solution in adaptation with climate change and increase the resilience for the agriculture sector.
So it is a chance to make the natural-based solution concept embedded in our strategy and policy in Jordan.
Influencing the policy to scale the project in Wadi Sir, it's very important to adopt all the ministry to prioritize their natural-based solution to be adapted to any water resources management in Wadi Sir.
As a result, there is ample opportunity to integrate gender equality and social inclusion within policies related to nature-based solutions, especially when it comes to scaling. Scaling deep, for example, works at the level of social norms, gender norms, and changing hearts and minds when it comes to nature-based solutions, while looking into the structures that enable women and empower them to be more leaders within structures of nature-based solutions in their communities.
We will make sure that nature-based solution will be disseminated, upscaled, and of course adapted and accepted by the different stakeholders, including government bodies, the main government body.
In the last year of Al Muruna, we will be developing national scaling plans which draw these different aspects together, both the interventions as well as the enabling environment, to help to create opportunities for scaling resilient nature-based water solutions in the MENA region to help improve climate change adaptation in the face of water scarcity and land degradation.